Hello, my name is Colby Fenster, and I'm the head of customer relations at Handle IT. Today I'm going to be showcasing a cool piece of custom functionality we have recently built for one of the tribal courts that we work with using a testing site with some fake information. Essentially, we built what I like to call a multi-fine fee payment tool. RiteTrack allows for the tracking of fines and fees on a person level for things such as attorney licensing fees, as well as the case level for tracking court costs and any fees related to a charge or offense. The system is designed to track each fine or fee individually. So if I navigate to a case file and I look at the charges associated with that, I'll see a record for each offense, and I am going to expect a fine or fee record to exist for each of these offenses as well. I can view that by clicking on the fines fees node over here, and you'll see the 3 fines in question. RiteTrack allows a user to track fine and fee payments with this, and I can add one to a record by clicking on this button right here. It will prompt a window where I can quickly enter how much was paid, when it was paid, who it was paid by, etc. I'll do that now. Once I have that payment information entered, I'll then click the Save button, and RiteTrack will automatically update the remaining amount for me, and I'll be able to see what it is for that specific fine or fee. The issue that this client was running into is that people were coming in and not really paying a specific fine or fee, but more just paying part of their total outstanding balance. This led to their court clerk having to decide themselves on which fines and fees the payment should be applied to and do the math when it comes to splitting the payment up. For example, if Vincent came into the court wanting to pay $400, did the court clerk apply all $400 to just one fine or fee with the highest remaining amount? Or do they split it up so one fine gets $100 paid to it, another gets $50, and the last one gets $250? There's not really a right answer to this question, but that's the problem that the multi-fine fee payment tool was built to address. This tool was created to be a report and a dash tile, meaning a user can access it via the global reports dropdown and or their dashboard if they've set it up to be a dash tile on their home screen, which I have. A user just has to type in a person's name, enter in the amount that the person is paying, and enter in any other payment details relevant to this payment. Done, they will then just have to click on this View Report Refresh Data button, and the system will return any fine or fee record tied to that individual that has not been paid off. As a dash tile, I do have to scroll down a little bit to see that information, but you'll see here I have those 3 fines and fees we saw earlier, as well as a fine or fee from another case that this individual has. This client decided that they would like to pay off the fine and fee with the smallest remaining amount first and reapply that logic until the entire payment has been utilized. That's why the calculated payment field amount looks like it does on the left-hand side. We started with paying off the $50 fine first, or the fine or fee with the $50 remaining first. Then we moved on to the one with $100 remaining, and then lastly, we applied the payment to the one with $600 remaining. A user just has to hit the Save button, and a payment record will be created for that amount for each fine or fee record. A user can click the View Report Refresh Data button, and some of those fines and fees have disappeared now that they've been paid off, and the remaining balance for that one fine or fee has decreased. This logic can obviously be customized on a per client level, so if you'd prefer the payment to be applied to the longest outstanding fine or fee instead, that can be done. With this, thank you for checking out this RiteTrack customization highlight video, and please reach out to us if you have any questions or if you're interested in implementing something similar. We'd love to talk to you about what a feature like this could do for your program or department.